What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'll finally be revealing the giveaway winner and be doing 3 channel shoutouts. So let's get started. So I think I'd like to start off this video by doing channel shoutouts. So the first channel that I'd like to shout out is CardMechanic. And now this guy has a great channel. He's fairly new, not a huge following yet, but he has great content. He has amazing skills. So go make sure to check him out before he gets super famous. Now the next channel I'd like to shout out is CardMat Tutorials, and this guy has been with me since like the beginning of time, and just really love his channel and really appreciate all the support he has. And he uploads super consistently. Like you could see like 1 to 2 uploads easily per day. Like it blows my mind how he can upload like that. I want to get to that level one day. So like I was saying, he has an amazing channel, so go make sure and check that out. And the last channel I'd like to give a shout out to is Miracle J the Illusionist. And I just recently checked out his channel when he had commented on my last video that he also got to 1,000 subscribers. So I went on his channel and he has such an amazing channel, such great energy. He does a lot of cool street magic and some tutorials. So definitely go make sure to check him out, and I'm hoping to do a collab with him soon. So stay tuned for that as well. And I'll put the link to all these channels down in the description so you can go make sure and check those guys out. Now real quick before I get into the giveaway, I want to spend a minute and talk about my Patreon page. Now generally I don't like advertising, but there are some really cool perks on here that I think you'll really love. Alright, so hopefully you can see it on the screen here. We got my Patreon page, and there are 4 different tiers that I've come up with so far. One is Junior Mechanic, we have Associate Mechanic, we have Mechanic, that's it, Mechanic, and Specialist Mechanic. Now these are all 4 different tiers, so let me just spend a quick 20-30 seconds talking about each tier. Now the first tier is Junior Mechanic, and now the best thing is that you'll have my gratitude. But of course that's not the only thing that you want. So I'm also going to put your name in my video description, so if you open up my video description at any time, you will see your name on there. And you'll get access to some exclusive videos that I will be uploading exclusively to Patreon. So that's a good way to help support my channel. And the next tier I have is Associate Mechanic. So in this tier, along with getting your name in the description of each of my videos, you also get entered in a monthly giveaway. So even if I'm not doing giveaway on my channels at the time, there will always be a monthly giveaway on Patreon. So, and even better is since there are not too many people right now, the chances of you winning a nice deck are so much higher. So hop on the train before there are too many people on the train and you don't get a good seat. And also on top of that, you're gonna get early access to all my videos. So a day before the videos are released onto YouTube, you will have access right here and now if you sign up for the second tier. Now the third tier is the tier of Mechanic, and this is a great tier because you'll get pretty much behind the scenes of when I'm recording my videos. So you'll get some bloopers, you'll get to see me set up some of my video. I don't know if you want to see that, but you'll get to see me set up and how I go about filming my videos, and the number of mistakes I make is actually insane. If you saw me making these mistakes, you'd be like, does this guy ever even held a deck of cards? Alright, so that is the third Mechanic tier. You get access to blooper videos every month. And of course my favorite tier is Specialist Mechanic. So including all the benefits and stuff from the first 3 tiers, you will also get to send me your video performances, which I will upload to Patreon, and you will also get my live reaction and feedback so it can help your performances as well. So that is it for this Patreon page, and I'm going to put the link to it down in the description, so if you guys want to check that out, help support my channel by signing up for one of the tiers, I would really appreciate it. Now of course you've waited through the shoutouts, you waited through me talking about my Patreon page, and now you're like, when is this guy going to do the giveaway? What's about to happen right now? Alright, so as you can see, these are all the giveaway entries on my channel. If you do not see your name on here, that means you did not comment on time. Make sure to comment on time. Problem solved. Alright, so your name should be on here. If it's not, then you're gonna have to wait till my next giveaway video or go on Patreon. Alright, so just paste this over into a random choice generator. Right? And right, so this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna click the random choice button and the name's gonna pop up. So just to show you, this is not what the actual outcome is. I'm just gonna show you that it is working. As you can see, there are different names coming up. So it's all good. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to do 3 clicks First click will be like a trial click. Second click will be like, oh, you were so close. And the third click will be the actual winner. So let's do it. All right, so here we go. Click number 1, Nipatrick 100. Now this is a great guy, by the way. He has a great channel. He's been supporting me for quite some time. You were that close. Not too close, but you were that close to making it. All right, so next channel we got Calvin San. Now I don't really know you, but you were that close. That close to making it. All right, here we go. The giveaway winner. The giveaway winner is, drumroll please, Angel Lord. Congratulations, Angel Lord. Really excited that you won. I'm gonna put my email in the description of my video. Make sure to send me an email to claim your prize. And if you do not send me an email, then I will go to the previous person and then the previous person, right? So I have 3 options. So make sure to send me an email as soon as possible to claim your 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 decks of cards. So that is it for this giveaway video. My next giveaway will be at 1,500 subscribers. And of the time of this recording, I'm at about 1310. So we're pretty close already. So hopefully you should be seeing another shout out / giveaway video coming out really soon. And of course, if you want, more giveaways on a monthly basis, make sure to go check out my Patreon page. See the advertising right there? That's how I do it. So thanks again, everyone, for all your support and really helping my channel get to 1,000 subscribers. I really couldn't have done it without you. And a special thank you to all the collabs I did with Hester Bear CH, with A Million Card Tricks, MLT Magic Tricks. You guys really helped my channel, and I'm so appreciative for that. And that is it, everyone. Make sure to go check out my social media. The links to that in the description. And also in the description, link to my Patreon page, link to all the channels I shouted out, and my email. So there's a lot of stuff going down there. Make sure you don't get lost. Make it home safe. And that's about it, everyone. I'm very surprised if you're still here. You can pretty much close this video now. We're pretty done. So I'll see you in my next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.